Athuri a Dudu cia Njuri nche Kenya ngina Ngome kuma Meru Tharaka Nithi Embu na Mbeere ni mokiriire uria wokiriirie giturwa kia munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni kiria marauga ni irumi na njino cia mahinda kwa mahinda iria akoretwo akirekereria uria waikariire giturwa giake Professor Kithure Kindiki. Makirekereria ndumiriri yao mari Runyenjes kaunti-ini ya Embu. Athuri a maugite matigwitikire gicigo kia Mount Kenya ya irathiro githie na mbere na gucambithio hamwe na atongoria ao.
The insults, attacks and attempts to undermine Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki must stop. We shall not allow our region to be taken back to dirty politics and fights.
We have seen the impeached former Deputy President and his allies continue to insult and attack Deputy President Kindiki and leaders from our region. This is wrong. It is not just politics. It is disrespect to the people of Mount Kenya East and to Kenyans as a whole.
Athuri aya moigite Gachagua hagurirwo ni kuremwo ni wira kuona gutiri uthii wa na mbere atwarire gicigo kia Mount Kenya irathiro na ari muhinga munene hari uthii wa na mbere wa gicigo kiu.
After Rigathi Gachagua failed to lead our region's development agenda and turned against President William Ruto and even began fighting Mount Kenya MPs, including those from his own backyard, we noted he started dividing our region and bringing confusion, and therefore distanced ourselves from him and his style of leadership.
Believed then, and we still believe now, that the impeached former Deputy President was not ready nor able to support the development of Mount Kenya East. Instead, he blocked progress for our people.
Gukiri uguo athuri aya mathing'iriirie kaunti cia Embu, Meru na Tharaka Nithi iguthie na mbere kunyita mbaru thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na utongoria wa President William Ruto, makiuria munini wa President Kithure Kindiki athie na mbere kunyitirira president.
Tunasimama imara kumuunga mkono Rais William Ruto, naibu Professor Kithure Kindiki na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Pia tunasimama na viongozi wote waliochaguliwa na walioteuliwa kutoka Meru, Embu na Tharaka Nithi. Yeyote anayewashambulia anatuvamia sisi wote na anapinga haki yetu ya kidemokrasia kuchagua viongozi wetu.
Athuri amaritie mbere ya mucemanio wa President William Ruto na ikundi itiganite kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu uria uratavanirio thingira-ini wa iregi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.
Kanyenji ni Mumbisi.